Hi and welcome to Stories and Stuff. Did you know you can use emojis to teach grammar? Well, now you do. I'm going to show you how to use them to teach the conjunction but. First of all, children need to know that but is a conjunction. That means it's a joining word that can join two simple sentences. And if you have two simple sentences that you're going to join with but, you need to take away the full stop and the capital letter at the start of the second simple sentence, unless it's a name. The children need to know that but replaces a full stop. And we use the poem, use a conjunction, lose the full stop. Use a conjunction, the capital goes pop. Is a nice little way to teach children that a conjunction like but and replace the full stop and capital. But the main idea about but is that it changes the fortune of a sentence. So something might be going really well, but shows that it doesn't go very well. Or something might not be going very well at all, but shows that it all works out all right in the end. Obviously that's a simplified version of it, but you can see how using the emojis demonstrates that. So the first part of the sentence might be happy, something that's going really well, and then the but is a sad emoji, and then that shows the next part of the sentence is where something goes wrong. Or you might have something that's gone wrong or not going very well, or something sad. The but is a happy emoji and it shows that things go all right in the end. So it's a really good way of showing children how to use but rather than just randomly joining two simple sentences. One way to practice using but is to give children simple sentences so they've got that first part of the sentence and they have to read it and decide, does this represent a happy emoji or a sad emoji? And then of course they can use but and change the fortune. So something that's bad turns into good or good turns into bad. Another good way is to use examples and non-examples. So if you have a look at the three sentences here, only one of them is correct. I broke my leg, but I broke my arm. I got some sweets, but someone gave me a chocolate bar. I felt poorly, but the doctor made me better. So you can see that having two good things either side of a but or two bad things either side of a but just don't work, they don't make sense. And to test those out, you can get the children to read half the sentence and decide, would you have a sad or a happy emoji? And they can draw that above that part of the sentence and then read on. Does that next part of the sentence give you the opposite? So if you had a happy emoji, does that then change to a sad emoji or vice versa? And that's a really good way to test it out. So you can see emojis are really useful for teaching the but conjunction. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and for more top tips on reading, writing, phonics and grammar, check out these playlists.